Good morning, scholars. We are going to get started with Lesson 1 for Module 5. The objective for Lesson 1 is I can count straws into piles of 10. I can count the piles as 10 ones. We're going to do a little fluency to get started with. So looking at this 5-group flash, how many dots do you see? 4, good. And how many more do you need to make 5? So a good way to figure that out, if you didn't get the answer, is I have 5 fingers up. I already have 4, so take 4 down and I have 1 left. Or you can count up. I have 4 fingers for the 4 dots. 1 more gives me 5. Let's go to the next card. And then on this one, we're going to make an addition sentence. So how many dots do you see? Awesome. And how many more do you need to make 5? Okay, I'm hoping you said 2, because we are going to make that into an addition sentence. I'm going to share my screen with you so we can do this together. All right. So we started with 3 dots. So I have 3. And if I need 2 more to get to 5, it would be 3 plus 2 equals 5. Let's go back to our PowerPoint. So we have our next one. How many dots do you see there? 2. And how many more to make 5? 3. Good. So now we're just flipping our number sentence. Our end result is going to remain 5, but instead of 3 being first, now we have 2 plus 3 equals 5. Okay, on this next one, how many dots do you see? Good. And how many more do we need to make it to 5? 4. Good job. Now you're going to write the addition sentence on your own. Let me give you a few seconds to do that. You can just write that on any piece of paper you have laying around. Don't forget your addition and your equal sign. Okay, so you should have 1 plus 4 equals 5. Okay, looking at our group 5 flashcards, these we're going to look to see how many dots we see, and then we're going all the way from 5 to 10. So if I have 5 here, how many more do I need to get to 10? You can figure it out the same way, just using both hands instead of one hand. Correct, you need 5 more to get to 10. How many? And how many more to 10? Good. How many? 6. And how many more to 10? 4. Good. How many? 1. And how many more to 10? If you said 9, you were correct. Okay, let's hop into our application problem. Our application problem says, Marta loves to share her peanuts at recess. She counted 10 peanuts into the hands of her friend Joey. We're going to draw a picture of the peanuts in Joey's hands. So we're going to flip over so we can do this together. My hands aren't going to be great, guys, but a hand is a hand. Oh, wow. That is a rough one. Okay, I have 2 hands, and I need to put 10 peanuts into the hand. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I'm going to do 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 6 peanuts here and 4 here. Because I want to be a little extra, I'm going to turn that into an addition problem. So I'm going to add a plus, an equal, and I have a total of 10. Check your work to see if that's what you got. I'm going to do the first problem on our problem set, just so that we have an idea of what we're doing. So it says to circle the groups that have 10 ones. So I would have to count to figure that out, unless it's conveniently in a 10 frame like this is, to where I know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have the same amount here. So this is 10, 1, so I can circle that one. And then looking at this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That only has 9, so I would not circle that one because we're looking for 10 and we're circling the groups of 10. On your exit ticket, your job is to circle the groups that have 10 things, just like we did on your problem set. And then how many times did you count 10 things? So you're going to write the number of how many groups of 10 you have. If you guys have any questions about that, please reach out to one of your teachers and let us know. Other than that, catch you guys again on the next video.